great to be here at Interclean. This is my first time on the stand, so it's been really interesting seeing everybody's stands and the focus everybody's had on sustainability.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting into the award ceremony. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Stan.
Thank you. During the flowers, during the certificate,
Yes.
That was a big wow for you.
Yeah, indeed. We are really honored to receive this award, especially in the category of sustainability, which is so important for Diversey in its 100 years of life.
Let me talk about how proud I am to be here with a winning team. The winning team who won the Innovation Award of the Interclean with our Lesseau innovation.
Excited to be here at Interclean. Diversey is now part of Solenis, which shares our deep-seated interest in sustainability. We are now EcoVadis Platinum certified and developing exciting new sustainability strategies across Solenis and Diversey that will include our decarbonization efforts. We are setting a science-based target and setting out a path towards net zero carbon emissions. We're also setting goals for circularity, packaging reductions, water reductions in our operations, and of course, goals around social responsibility, governance, and most of all, our customers. So we have a program called Value Advantage, where we quantify the sustainability benefits that we deliver to our customers and find ways to collaborate with them using sustainability as a center focus.
Fantastic to be able to share our latest innovations, and we hope to be back.